Hey guys, it's Danielle, nurse of 19 years, homeschooling, homesteading mom of 4. So when I tell you that something works, it's because we actually used it, not because it looks good on my desk for 5 minutes. Today I'm looking at the Iridio Bluetooth hearing aids. Full disclosure up front, Iridio sent these to me for free for this review, but that does not change at all what I'm going to tell you, good or bad. These are receiver in canal style, so they're small, genuinely small. If you're picturing the bulky beige hearing aids from years back, that is not what this is. The case doubles as a charger, so you're not hunting for a separate charging cable. And I mean small. My husband wore these for hours around the house, listening to an audiobook streamed from his phone, and I had no idea that he had them in. He had to actually tell me. I walked right past him, looked right at him, and I didn't notice a thing. Speaking of which, I have one in too. In the box, you get the aids themselves, charging case, a handful of different dome sizes so you can find your perfect fit, and instructions on how to pair the Iridio app on your phone to your hearing aids. First impression, honestly, it's pretty much what I expected going in. Nothing about this unboxing has surprised me in a bad way, and nothing blew me away either. It is a solid, straightforward setup, and this is the part that actually matters. Does the tech hold up? The Iridio app is where a lot of value lives here. You can adjust volume. There's an AI translation feature, tinnitus masking, telephone speech enhancement, and you can customize the sound compensation to how you actually hear. And for someone comfortable with a smartphone, this is genuinely useful. You're not stuck with one fixed setting. The Bluetooth streaming worked just the way it was supposed to. I connected to my phone, streamed a call, streamed some audio, and there were no dropouts, and there was no fuss to set it up. On the AI sound processing and noise cancellation, this is doing real work. It is cutting down on the background noise, and speech does come through a lot clearer in normal conversation. I'm not going to throw out a big percentage claim because clearer is something you feel or you experience in the moment. It's not something I can prove to you on camera, but what I can tell you is it is doing exactly what it says it's doing, as expected, and no surprises either. If you want a hearing aid that just turns on and does one thing, this has a little bit more going on than that, which is either exactly what you want or it's a lot more than you need. On comfort, these are lightweight, the receiver in the canal, and they came with multiple different dome sizes so I can actually get a proper fit instead of settling for close enough. All day wear has been comfortable, no irritation, and no constant adjusting. The battery is rated for up to 25 hours per charge, with the case giving you about 4 more charging cycles on top of that. So that's roughly about 120 hours total before you need to plug the case in. It's day-to-day use that's held up as advertised. He hasn't been caught with dead aids mid-day, my husband. He's been wearing these. You've got the USB here with the USB-C connected to the back. One more feature worth mentioning. There is an audiologist remote care built in when you buy these, so you can get professional support without an in-office visit. And for some, I can see that as a real value. If you're someone who needs guidance but doesn't want to make an appointment, that's definitely an added value. So who is this actually for? This is best for someone who is tech comfortable. They want app control and Bluetooth streaming built into their hearing aids, not just a basic amplifier. Most people's kids or grandkids are tech savvy enough to help them with that, or you have the audiologist. If you want to stream calls and music, fine tune your own settings, and you don't mind using an app to do it, this definitely fits. If you want the simplest possible device with zero setup, this might have a bit more going on than what you're looking for. Definitely no deal breakers in my testing so far. Testing is still ongoing, and I'll update if anything changes, but based on what I've seen, this does what it claims to do. My father has started showing signs of hearing loss, so I plan to get his take on them soon. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in this product, I will put the link for this one down in the description below.